Welcome to the Exam Sale channel, where we help you prepare for various industry-recognized certifications. Today, we are going to walk you through the syllabus of the Cisco Implementing DevOps Solutions and Practices using Cisco Platforms, or DevOps, exam. The Cisco DevOps exam is an assessment of your knowledge and skills in implementing DevOps practices using Cisco platforms. The exam covers 5 domains, each carrying a specific percentage of the total weightage. The domains include logging, monitoring, and metrics at 25%, CI/CD pipeline at 20%, packaging and delivery of applications at 20%, automation and orchestration at 20%, and cloud and multi-cloud at 15%. The logging, monitoring, and metrics domain deals with application and infrastructure observability, telemetry analysis, and performance monitoring across Cisco platforms. You will learn about components of the ELK stack, application log analysis using Kibana, and performance bottleneck identification through log analysis. Additionally, you'll learn to differentiate between structured and unstructured logging, implement log rotation and retention policies, and analyze and visualize data using tools like Prometheus and Grafana. The CI/CD pipeline domain focuses on building, securing, and automating delivery pipelines using modern version control and CI/CD tools. This domain covers Git branching strategies, merge request and code review workflows, and pipeline security. You will also learn to design and optimize pipelines using tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI, and GitHub Actions, as well as implement deployment strategies like Blue-Green and Canary. The packaging and delivery of applications domain involves containerization strategies, image management, and application orchestration within Kubernetes environments. You will learn to construct optimized Docker files, manage container images using private registries, and implement security scanning and vulnerability assessments. Additionally, you'll learn to configure container networking and persistent storage volumes, apply resource constraints and limits to containers, and automate container image tagging and versioning. The automation and orchestration domain deals with infrastructure automation and configuration management using Ansible, Terraform, and Cisco APIs. You will learn to develop reusable Terraform modules for infrastructure provisioning, manage Terraform state files and remote backends, and construct Ansible playbooks for system configuration. Additionally, you'll learn to implement Ansible roles for modular automation and integrate IAC tools with Cisco DNA Center and ACI APIs. The cloud and multi-cloud domain focuses on cloud-native application design, multi-cloud connectivity, and Cisco Cloud Integration Services. You will learn to differentiate between SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS service models, design cloud-native applications using 12-factor principles, and implement serverless functions for event-driven automation. Additionally, you'll learn to configure hybrid cloud connectivity and analyze cost optimization strategies in multi-cloud environments. In conclusion, the Cisco DevOps exam is a comprehensive assessment of your knowledge and skills in implementing DevOps solutions using Cisco platforms. By covering these 5 domains and focusing on the key topics outlined, you can ensure you're well prepared for the exam and equipped to succeed in a DevOps role. Good luck with your exam preparation. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to ask.